Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Digital Ocean TV. I'm Georgi Petrov, and what I'm going to be covering today, it's a topic that has been all over the internet, asking different people, myself including, under the videos, comments, what should you choose? CBO or ABO when you're doing Meta Facebook ads. Let's start with this. What is ABO and CBO? CBO, for most of you, you probably know that, but I'm going to explain for those that probably don't know that. So CBO is campaign budget optimization, and the budget is on campaign level, right? While ABO, it's ad set budget optimization, and the budget is optimized on ad set level. I usually go for ABO. Me and my colleagues here at AIG Marketer, my agency, we are going usually for ABO when we are testing. We do rapid fire testing, RFT, right? Which means that we go for, let's say, 6-7 different audiences. We put all these audiences in different assets, and in every asset we have at least 4 to 5. But usually we don't go more than 5 ads. This is how based on the mostly on the soft metric, we were rapidly testing. And once we find our winning ad and winning ad sets, that means audiences, right? We put them in a CBO. The CBO is when we use them when we scale it, right? We put about, let's say, it really depends on the budget of the customer, right, of the client, but we usually put them into like $500 a day budget, and we go for a little bit broader audience. We put all winning audiences inside one ad set, or we go very broad, right, only for the ages and for the age brackets that we've seen been working better, we've been performing better, and also the countries that have been performing better if you're advertising to more than one country. And this is how we use CBO eventually for we also put, of course, right next to these ad sets we attach the winning ads in. This is how we scale our ad. And what's important here to know is that not every time and not every account is the same. So it depends really on the account, because sometimes for CBO you can also you can also use ABO for testing, right? CBO for testing. In most cases we use them ABO testing, CBO scaling. Why? Because ABO, the media buyer has on the ABO side, we media buyers have more control over what's happening on the on a granular level, like on an asset level. In 2000, Facebook, currently Meta, decided to remove ABO, right? Then in a few months after they wanted to do this transition, they decided actually that they will keep ABO. Why? Because the algorithm it does its job when you're on a CBO, but on ABO the media buyer can have more control over their tests, right? That's what we actually leverage here. It's a short video that I wanted to shoot and just collaborate a little bit more about that. But this is pretty much, let's summarize it. ABO for testing, CBO for scaling. Really depends on the ad account, because some ad accounts are very good for testing for CBO as well. But mostly what we do is this. Then we find the best audiences, then we find the best performing ads, and we put them into CBO when we are scaling. That's what I wanted to share with you today. I know it's a very short video, but just wanted to cover this because it's been it's been all over the internet and everybody's asking what should we use and that kind of stuff. Well, thank you very much. See you on the other side of success. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and so that we can spike the YouTube algorithm, and see you in my channel.